Menda ka sngi ka sautrek unai tung uminti rang ba ka Jylla ukan rat ke sangma unaong banang ban pen klan ya ka jingdawa ban pen rung ya Kren Khasi bat Garo ha ka khanet ka papra jong ka riti sencha kari India ka Ïing Dorbar Jylla Meghalaya kalapan krep ban Sdang ban ya Kren no da ka Kren Khasi bat Garo la kumno ha ka ne Dorbar Tlang ka ban salong shen uminti rang ba ka Jylla ukan rat ke sangma unaong baula klan ya selok ya ka ni bat ulampang jong ka Ïing Dorbar thawan ka Jylla uba met ba lingdo bat ka kam kalaya ha ka linti ka babet ba hadu menta.
In fact, I have had multiple discussions with a lot of our leaders, and I have had multiple discussions with the Honorable Speaker also of the Assembly, and we are of the very strong opinion that to certain extent, maybe like in terms of the motions and different resolutions, the debates that take place on the governor and the budget, maybe not question hour immediately, but certain areas along with the translations, even in the assembly, both Khasi and Garo language should be allowed to be spoken. And we feel strongly that this is something that should be done. Efforts are being made. I hope that we will be able to move this very, very soon. So you will see in the time to come that we will be, I think, I don't want to talk about it right now without actually moving forward in it, but since you've asked me this question, we have already started the process and the discussion is on, and we are very, very serious, and we all feel that both Khasi and Garo language should be allowed to be used in the assembly, and at least certain parts, maybe not the question hour, but because it requires a lot of immediate thing, but along with translation and everything, both Khasi and Garo language should be allowed to be used in certain parts.
Will this beginning be seen in the upcoming session of the
I hope so. Let's see. Well, because it will depend on the secretariat, assembly secretariat, but I'm sure that we will get a positive response from.
Since you already have the discussion, what is the mind of the assembly secretariat, especially the speaker?
Yeah. So as I said, it's positive. It's positive, and but as I said, I can't comment on it because it's a legislature matter, and the assembly secretariat will. But as a government, we strongly feel that it's something that should be.